strong.
What's up guys, Listen here, back for another video, and in this video I decided to get something special. So today I've got the Ice Rider box and the Shadow Rider box to open up. Now I saw these I was at downtown anyway. I popped into my local game store so I can just grab a magic card, but I saw these finally out, so I thought, hey, why not open? So I'm just gonna quickly open all this and lay it down on my desk. BRB. Okay, now that everything's all out of the box. So as you see, we have our jumbo promo cards with our little cards. We have 4 packs of Chilling Region, 2 of Darkness Blaze, and then 2 of Rebels Clash. So let us just move the jumbo cards out of the way. I'll keep these here, move all these to the side, and I will move my camera more into, there we go, that's more like it. So yeah, let's start off with Rebels Clash. Since it was, yeah, Sword and Shield, and then it was Sword and Shield Rebels Clash. We'll move up until we can get to the thing. If I can actually get the cards out, that would help. So, wait, forgot about that. 4. So, that's not an energy. That's not an energy indeed. Well, there's the energy. Good old Growlithe. Always got a lot of beans. If you guys didn't know, I did my Nuzlocke on my stream. It ended a couple weeks ago. RIP beans. RIP. We have a X2 or Ad2, whatever you pronounce it, and we got a hollow boss's orders, which is actually pretty good. And we have another energy. Cool, that's actually pretty good. I'll got some nice white sleeves here, so I'm definitely going to sleeve up the boss's orders, because boss's orders is a pretty decent card. So keep the hollows down here, and then the commons are there. You know, it would have been really nice if there was a full art boss's orders, but beggars can't be choosers. Come on, they really made these they really made them quite difficult to get into. I don't remember them being that difficult. There we go, there's our energy. Shuckle. Dan. Twin energy. Homage. A Tampole. Valabai. Galarian Corsola. Toxel. Nugget. And an Arcanine. I don't think I ever pulled an Arcanine from this set, so that's pretty cool. Warming up. This Pokemon, if this Pokemon has a burning scarf attached to it, it gains 100 HP. Okay. Yeah, but can we pull long-awaited Charizard in Darkness Ablaze? Cause my brother pulled one. I never pulled one. My brother always had the better luck of opening packs. I just didn't. Terry Ursula, nice, one of my favourite. Can't beat Big Bad Ursaring. Got it. Oh, Pansage. A reverse hollow Hippopotas and a Swanna. Man. Every time I see a Gen 4 Pokemon, it makes me think of the remakes. Hope they don't ruin it. I think it looked fine anyway. Like I keep saying in the videos and on my Twitch, I think the game looks fine as it is. Hey, there's the Earthling. Like they don't really need to change a lot about the game. They're trying to keep it more to the original style, like all the chibi stuff, which was all the original Pokemon games at the time were all chibis. Come on, can we pull like a V or full art? Now we got Yellhorn, and we pulled Grimmsnarl V. I think Grimmsnarl V is probably the most common out of the so far it's been my common pull, Grimmsnarl. But we'll sleeve them and put them next to Boss's Orders. Actually, we should probably sleeve up the other two. There we go. Sleeve them up too, because why not? Hey, cool Feebas though. Good old Milotic. So yeah, that was the Darkness Blaze and the Rebels Clash. Now we open up the like the main part of the video. Oh yeah, I've only ever opened that one ETB, so I'm still excited to see what I can pull from here. Last time it was lost the word, Blaziken G-Max. G-Max? Not G-Max. V-Max. So I'm hoping we can pull something even better. Good old roads. Hey, we got ourselves a reverse holo score bunny. Which is kind of cool. Like I do already have them, but I just don't have them hollow. And it's now starting to come. It's literally coming down with rain. It looks like I got home just in time. I did not want to be stuck downtown, especially in the rain and in the warmth. Because no one wants to be in the warmth. God. Hey, Shuppet. I love Shuppet. I love Bayonet. I really do like Mega Bayonet. One of my favorite. I think it may be my favorite Mega. Oh, we got first Hollow Impact Energy, and we got ourselves another Vulcan. I pulled this is like my second now. So I was kind of hoping for something different. Right, we still got 2 packs. I also have more videos planned for this week. I'm just waiting for them to arrive. A very special video that should be my next one actually. Hopefully it arrives this week and I can get it uploaded for you. Oh wow. I've never seen this guy's evolution. This is the first. Looks nothing like its evolution. Wow. There we got a Galarian Surfetched, Farfetch'd, Cast Form, another Stubble, a Lady, a Reverse Hollow Curlier, which is actually pretty nice, and I don't have face cam on. Oh my god, we pulled a rainbow! Oh, look at that! You are going straight into a sleeve. Oh, look at that. Whoa. That's actually really nice. It's also my favorite 3rd gen gym leader. Ah. Man. I remember, I love 3rd gen, it's always been a favorite. What do? Discard a special energy from one of your opponent's Pokemon. Then discard a stadium in play. Oh. Sure. So yeah, that's actually kind of cool. We pulled like a full art rainbow. Looks like I picked up the right boxes. I don't even remember which pack that box came out of. Polygon 2. If my camera would just please focus. It's not gonna focus, god damn it. Another Shuppet. Squirrel. Steel. Swirlet. Yamask. Greedent. And for our last card, well, last pack actually, wasn't it? Oh, I didn't realize it was our last pack. Oh, we got a Surfetched. So I think so far, I think this has been the highlight. Just opening up, because I can't remember the last time I actually opened up a. Oh, my phone just went off. I forgot to put it on silent, but yeah. Well, yeah, we pulled like boss's orders and a rainbow, which is actually pretty neat. So yeah. So yeah, keep in mind I have many videos coming. I'm just waiting for certain items to arrive. So stay tuned for more videos, and yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.